What's going on, guys? Today I want to show you how to update Photoshop in Adobe Creative Cloud. If that helps you out, maybe subscribe. So we're going to come on down here to our search. We're going to type in Adobe Creative. This will pop up right here. You can click it, or you can come down here and hit open. All of our apps are going to pop up, and we want to update Photoshop. You can see this little dot right here, and it pops up and it says update available. Go ahead and right click on it and then click update. And now we just wait for it to update. And on this screen too, it shows us other updates and our most recent updates. Pretty useful. So yeah, I'll see you in a second when this is done. And there we go. It's updated. Lets us know what they updated, some bug fixes and stuff like that. Lets us know we updated today. And now when we open Photoshop, it'll be the most recent version. So yeah, thanks guys. If that was helpful, leave a comment, give us a like, and we'll see you in the next one.